Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, December the 19th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letters Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, Sudoku, 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. And why not? Oh well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved 3 regular puzzles, so total of 7 puzzles on a day. Yes, it's a lot. Alright, the first one I will do is a 3 stars puzzle. 9774. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, we need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by publisher with a 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see which number I can pick. Need a 4 here. 2, 9. Oh. Need a 4 here. 617, 617, 11. Well. 99. 22. Come on. What's happening? What's happening? Well, we have here 6 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 6, the 1, and the 7. We have a 6, 1, and a 7 in the last row, so no 6 and the 1 and the 7 in these 3 boxes. 6 and the 1 and the 7 goes in those 3 boxes. 6, 1, and 7. We have 6 here, so the 1 and the 7. 6, 1, and the 7. And 6, 1, and 7. We have a 1 in this column, so the 6 and the 7. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7. 8 is missing. 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8. Okay. That means we have an 8 there. These 3 should be the 8, 9. No, 8. 4, 5, 8. 2, 3, 9. 2, 3, 9. Well, we have a 9 here. Well, in this row, we need a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here, we have a 9 in the third column, no 9. There's a 9, could be here, could be there. And the 2 and the 3 are left. Well. Complicated. 2, 2, okay. I need a 4 here, come on. How about here? 6, 8, and a 1. Here, the same with that big square. 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 6 and 8 and a 1. We have a 6, 8, and a 1 in the first row. So no 6, 8, and a 1 in these 3 boxes. 6, 8, and 1 goes in those 3 boxes. 6, 8, and a 1. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the 8 and the 1. We have a 6 in the column next. So no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be here. So the 8 and the 1 are left. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. What are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 4, 7, 9. 7, 9. How about these 3 missing numbers in this row? 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4 And the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. Here can be 3. We have a 3 here. So the 3 could be here. Could be there. So the 2 and the 5 are left. 2 and the 5. So we have 3 here. So 3 should be there then. Complicated. Need a 4 here. 2, 6, and a 9. We have a 2, 6, and a 9 here. We have a 2, 6, and a 9 there. That means the 2, 6, and a 9 should be in the middle row here. 2, 6, and a 9. We have a 6 here, so the 2 and a 9, 2 and a 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6, 2, 6, and a 9, 2 and a 9. Yeah, 2, 6, and a 9. 2, 6. Wait. 6 should be here. 2, 6, and 9. 9 could be also here. Oh, damn. 2, 6, and 9. Wait. Come on. 7, 7, 3, 8. 6. Need an 8 here. 8 in the first row. 8 in the third row. So the row between. Second row only should place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. Need an 8 here or there. 8. Need a 9 here. Oh, need a 9 there. Well. I need a 1 in this big square. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 in these two boxes. The 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those two boxes in this row. 1 in the middle row. So the row below only 2 places level 1. Could be here, could be there. We need a 7 in this big square. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between only 2 places level 7. Could be here, could be there. Let me put the numbers. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column only 2 places level 9. Could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those two boxes in this row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row only 3 places level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. Only place level 3 should be there. Need a 4 here or there. 1, 7. I need a 5 here. And I need an 8. Well, we need an 8 in this big square. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 in these two boxes. The 8 could be here. Could be there. Eight. No. We have an 8 in one of these 3 boxes in the last row. 8 in the row above. So in that row, only 3 places level 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. So the 8 could be here. Could be there. We need an 8 in this big square. We have an 8 in the second column. No 8 in these two boxes. The 8 could be here. Could be there. Come on. 3. Need a 3 there. 3. Come on. This is taking too long. 6 in this row. 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row. Only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. Eliminated the 9. So the 9 goes there. 9 in one of these 3 boxes in this row, 9 in the third row, so the row between second row, the only place level 9 should be there. 1 box left now in the second row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing here. Need a 7 here. Okay. This can be a 1, 7, and a 6. 1, 7, and 6, 1 and 7, 6. We have a 6 and a 7 here, so this box will be a 1. Mark those two boxes early with a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. So the 6 and the 7 are left here. 7, 8, and the 5 is missing here. 7, 8, and the 5. 7, 8. Need a 5 here. 5 could be everywhere. 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7. I've marked those two boxes earlier. The 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. So the 8 and the 5 are left. 8 and the 5 are left. 8 and a 5. 8 and a 5. Okay. Here. 4 and the 5. 4, 5, and the 2. So the 2 should be there. Here. Or here. Well. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so no row between. The only 2 places left, the 6 should be here one day. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2, 6, and a 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. The only place left, the 6 should be there. So the 2 and the 9 are left here. 2 and the 9. Okay, 7, 8, and a 5. You know. 2 and a 9. 5, 8, and need a 4 here. What's happening with the 4? 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so no row between. The only place left, the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so the third row, the only 3 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 2, 6, and 9. So the 5, 8, and the 4 are left. Come on. 3 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5. That means we have a 3 in one of these 3 boxes. This box can be 3 or more. This box should be a 2 then. 2 or 3, yeah. So the 9 and the 3 are left. 9 and 3, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 4, 5, and 8. 4, 5, and 8. These are 3 missing numbers in this big square numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. We have a 4 in this column, 4. In the middle column, so the only place left the 4 should be there. So the 2 and the 5 are left. Okay. These are 3 missing numbers in this row. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9, we have a 7 here, so the 7 should be here. And the 8, the 9 we have here, so the 9 could be here, could be there. 3, 4, 5, okay. Well, complicated. Come on. Need a 4 here. Yeah. We have all the 6s here. 8, need an 8 here, one there. No, 8 here. I'm thinking. This box, wait. We have a 2, 5, and a 9. 2, 5, and a 9. We have a 9 here. So the 2 and the 5 are left. Here we have a 2 and a 5. So this box should be a 9 then. 2 or 9, we have a 9 here, so this box should be a 2. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes there. 2 or 5, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 5. 2, 2, okay. 5, 5. Yeah. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4. That box should be a 5 then. So 2 numbers left, 8 and 8 and a 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 or 5. We have an 8 here, so this box will be a 5. 8 or 5. We have a 5 here, so this box will be an 8. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left. 2 should be here or there. Together with the 3, we have a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. And another pair in this big square on the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. What's happening? Here also 2 numbers left. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 7 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 and a 1. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 4 in this row. 4 in that row. So the row 3 in the middle row. The only place left of 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3, 4, 5. Well, we have a 5 and a 3 in this column, so no 5 and a 3 in this box. 5 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 3, 5 and a 3. We have a 3 in this first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there, so 1 digit left in this row for number 4. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left 4 should be there. So the other 2 numbers should be the 7 and the 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the first column. So the column 3 in the second column, the only place left 7 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 9, so the 9 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. 17 minutes. Well, definitely a 2 stars. Complicated, this one. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.